Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is you versus them for Earth signs. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Earth, this reading is in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. This reading is for you, friends. If you can also subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Friends, join us on Instagram. It's Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And I would suggest you to watch it for your sun sign, rising sign, or moon sign rather than for the other person, because we are going to cover the other person in detail. So let's see. If you are single, friends, don't worry. Watch the crush reading. I'll try to link it up above. So let's see what is the theme currently. Oh, for Earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, how you are feeling currently. Let's see that. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, how are they feeling currently? What's going on? What's the theme? Earth signs, what's going on? Okay, some cards wanted to come out, then they just went inside. Okay. Wow, 10 of Cups. So definitely family, happiness, ultimate love. That is the focus for you. Definitely some of you could be spending time with family, friends, and also you see this connection as a family connection or someone you are destined to be with, Earth signs, what is the theme for Earth signs currently? Page of Wands. So definitely some sort of an excitement is also there. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be feeling excited about a relationship or a connection in your life, Earth signs, or life in general. You are trying to feel excited. Page of Pentacles, look at that, your own energy. So I do see that some of you are focusing on work and career and money, and you're excited about some work opportunities or career opportunities, but at the same time you're also wanting a deep commitment or spending more time, or you want to spend more time with a lover or with this person, or want a commitment with them. You're also spending time with family. So very nice, but your focus is mostly on work and something is making you excited. Look at that, 2 of Cups. New relationship for some of you probably, or you are wanting a new relationship, a commitment, a partnership, something that lasts for a lifetime. And you definitely are, I do feel like, you are feeling excited or you are interested in love, but somehow, you know how Earth signs are, work always wins for them, first work and then the love. But I do see that something exciting is coming your way in love. So let's see how Earth signs are feeling about their person. How Earth signs are feeling about their person. Page of Swords, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, the lovers. Yes, choice, definitely. I feel like you are going through a time of hot and cold energy, Earth signs, like you feel love towards them, but then you have other things to follow. But then you are like, some days you love this person, some days you are confused about this connection. This could be an online connection for some of you. You met somebody online. For others of you, this could be a long distance connection, but you feel very passionate about this person. Lovers is like lot of passion, lot of love, lot of intensity. You want family with this person, or this person and you have a common family, like you are family friends, but you want a commitment with this person, definitely. How is Earth sign feeling about their person? Queen of Swords. Oh yeah, so you are like, this person is strong. I do feel you could you may be feeling like this person has some another person, your person is with somebody else, or maybe family is affecting this connection. I do feel you are a little scared of your person because they are very strong, they are very, their boundaries are high, or this person is your person is a bit demanding, like they want commitment, all or nothing. So you are a bit scared. And look at that, Temperance. Yes, you want to bring this connection in balance. You want love and you want to balance the give and take in this connection. And definitely 6 of Wands. I do feel that Earth signs, you feel very strongly about this connection, even though I do see that you guys are in long distance, no contact, or you guys talk mostly online, but I still see that you have the desire that yes, this is the connection which can last a lifetime for you, or which will go a long distance. So let's see how your person is feeling, earth signs. How your person is feeling, earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is feeling. Oh, Six of Swords. I do feel this person is wanting to travel, or they are traveling, relocating, shifting. Also, if you guys had a breakup or separation, this person, your person wants to come back. Yes, star. I do feel this person is focusing on manifesting you back, or manifesting a reunion. They are also very creative. This person you are dealing, earth signs. They could be a creative person, or someone who is very into arts, into media. They could be a singer, or you both are. You know, this person is creative. They are focusing on manifesting you and working on their creativity. Queen of Cups. Wow, this person really loves you. I do feel they show you differently. They show you as they are Queen of Swords, like someone very strong and someone who doesn't take nonsense. But I feel your person really has a very big heart, and they have a lot of love for you. So definitely they have a lot of love, lot of emotions for you. Ten of Swords, and yeah, there has been an ending, and they wanna your person is also sad and hurt with that ending of separation between you both, and they still feel affected by the ending. Maybe they haven't recovered, but they are trying. They are definitely trying to manifest you back, earth signs. So let's see how your person feels about you. Wow, the cards are like they want to turn into, you know, reversals or something. Oh, the King of Pentacles. So they are definitely thinking about you. Look at you. Your energy is here. So earth signs, your person could also be an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But they are definitely thinking about you. They are stalking your social media. I feel they are seeing you, eyeing every move. And oh my god, let's just take all these cards because they want to come. Three of Swords. Yeah, this person is hurt. I think you hurt them, or they are a bit hurt about something. They are recovering from the past heartache, and definitely earth signs, I do feel like if you had a breakup with this person, they are still trying to recover from it, and they want to take action towards you. They still feel very passionate about you. Four of Cups, yeah, but this person is like wanting you to take action, earth signs, rather than they making a move. Although they feel very passionate about you, but earth signs, they want you to take action because they are waiting for you. Nine of Cups, this person wants to take you out on a date, and they definitely miss the happy days spent with you. Let's see. There are too many cards. I want to shuffle them. How is this person feeling towards earth signs? Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this person want to work things out with you, sit and talk things out with you. They want your cooperation. This person could be working with you, or they were once working or studying with you, so that's also coming in. And Seven of Wands. Yeah, they want to fight for this connection. In fact, the strange thing is coming is that they want earth signs to fight for this connection, because somewhere they feel like you hurted them, or you let them down in some way, or you were not looking for love. So they want you to fight for this connection. So let's see what else. How is the earth signs person feeling? Oh my god, this person is feeling a lot of emotions. The cards are jumping all over the place. Earth signs person, how are they feeling? Acceptance. Yeah, some of them has accepted the situation, that it's the end. Maybe they are trying to recover. Maybe they think that you have moved on, earth signs, so they have accepted it. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Maybe they have accepted that the past is remaining, the past will be there, but they can start fresh with you. Things can get better with you. So that energy is there. Empathy. My god, this person could be an empath, or they have a very big heart. The Queen of Cups is someone who is very unconditionally loving, caring, very big hearted. So they definitely can feel if the pain of this separation, and your emotions also. I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. So yeah, I think they have, if they made some mistakes in the past, they were not ready to accept it, but now they are coming to terms with it. Like, yeah, I would have also made some mistakes. How they feel about the, how do they feel about you? Health, yeah. They feel like, you should work on a positive mindset, or you should not be so focused on your money, career, and, just take. I think maybe they see you as a workaholic, someone who is neglecting your health. So they want you to know to take care of your health. I will honor the physical vessel that enriches or enshrines my soul. So they definitely know this is a spiritual connection, not just um, a physical connection, but they also want you to take care of your health. Peace, yeah, they want peace in this connection. They've found a lot of peace with you. They find you very peaceful. So nice. So let us see what actions will your person take in the future. Earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, what actions this person will take in the future towards you. Softly, softly, the tender touch. So I do feel this person will try to reach out, both of you talking and sharing some soft, tender movements, soft, cozy, cuddly, emotional movements. I do feel this person really loves you a lot unconditionally. They want to have that, a soft, cuddly moment with you, and follow your own rhythm. Yeah, I do feel this person and you could be creative, so they want to connect with you through dance, through music, art, creativity. Health, maybe you guys met in the fitness area, like gyms or something. Defend to the end the worthwhile. So they want to defend you to the end. In fact, I think they want you to fight for this connection and this love, because they are here for you. This is they are going to be here for you, and it is for you now, earth signs, to say a big yes to this person. Free from judgment, free to love. This person is ready to love you and accept you in all ways. Earth signs, congratulations. What a powerful reading it is. Wonderful. Let's see some advice for earth signs for this connection. Number 39, number 20, number 5, number 23 are important. I feel that when you guys meet again, it will be a very beautiful moment. You crying, they crying, happy tears, and a lot of love, lot of romance. Watching the clouds, lie back, rest and relax. So yeah, I do feel like it is time. You're not taking care of your health, earth signs, so you should take care of your health first, and choosing your path. Everything is possible. If you are losing hope in this connection, please remain positive. Anything is possible. It is up to you. You have to decide what you need to do. I think earth signs, you are trying to say like, oh, they are not taking action, so I'll go and just forget it. I think they are waiting for you to take action or a sign from you. So give them that sign. Navigating by the stars, follow your bliss. So yeah, it's time to follow your heart. If some of you would have chosen a new path, that's okay too. If you are choosing a new person, a new path, or if you are looking for work right now and later on, whatever feels right to you is good for you. But I do feel anything is possible in this connection. This is a very strong connection. Oh, let's see. So career is important. I told you, your focus is on career. Even your person is very creative, but they have got it all covered up. You are very focused on career, or maybe you are related through work. Tortoise, slowly, yes, slowly but steadily, things getting better. Skull, hidden secrets. Yeah, there are, the past is still haunting this connection, but you can get over it. You will be taken care of in the difficult situation. This relationship will protect you through good and through bad. And the May, wow, I'm doing this in April, so the coming May is important, or the month of May is important. This is a temporary pause in this connection. Older women, some older woman is important. Spear, heartache over what you cannot control. Yeah, the past is definitely past. Heartache is there. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. A positive change is coming. So woohoo, again a change is coming. Love is coming your way. And Aries, Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. I feel this person isn't going anywhere. They are destined. You both are destined to be together, and you both are very stubborn about being together with each other. So subscribe, like, share. Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.